Mayday Mayak Puhena Sakat Hanaba, Assam the Labor Mahaitam from Singda Mayak Asibujana Hanaba, Assam Cabinet no work Hanaba Hogre, Narang Assam government ki form Kiba Cabinet Kimi from Amada, Manipuri literature Amadi, higher education Tobada Hena Kudong Janaba, Mite Mayak Po Assam the Jana Hanba Yanaba, Wafamasi Kanakibani, Masigi Matakta Mite Mayak Fazana Kanglaba, Assamgi Mio Singna, Manipura Tavak Sangnaba applied to Hanba. Yabadasu Ngarangi cabinet mifamaduna wa kanaki Assamgi government na lokalak liba kongtang asibu Manipurgi Chief Minister N Birena Thagatpa Fongdokre.
You know, Assam government, mainly President Chief Minister 𝗦𝗡𝗚𝗎 𝗦𝗑𝗡𝗚𝗎 is very dynamic and a hard-working person, and he know the dynamic of the Northeast people also. In Assam, there are around more than 8 lakhs Maydays, Manipuris. And recently he also has given, recognized the Manipuris in the 3-4 districts as the official language. And that also I appreciate it, and the people are very happy. And this time also, as you said, the 𝗦𝗡𝗚𝗎𝗡, you know, in the entire nation, community which have their own language, their own script, their own religion is very few. So Manipuri is amongst one of them, and we're proud of it. And I appreciate the initiative taken by the Assam Chief Minister 𝗦𝗡𝗚𝗎 and along with his cabinet and his government. And I also thanks to the people of Assam for supporting this kind of good gesture.